Hello my angels, I am Boishaki and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this soft glowy peach toned look which I absolutely love, and I think this look is properly going with this off-white chiffon sari and with this beautiful kundan jewelries. I want to thank Golden Touch Bridal Paradise, a shop from Shiliguri owned by Dalia Dash, who has sponsored my beautiful jewelries and this sari for my video. I am mentioning their social media handle links in my description box, and I will suggest everybody to visit their shop because they have wonderful jewelry and costume collections like this. So no more further discussions today, and let's get straight into the video. And yes, if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. I am prepping my skin with the Himalaya Clarifying Toner, and toner helps to maintain the pH balance of our skin. Now I am using Makeup Studio Pre-Base Moisturizing Primer. As I have dry skin, so I love to use this kind of moisturizing primers. It hydrates my skin a lot. This is PAC eyeshadow primer which I'll be using to prepare my eyelid before eye makeup. It's a very good gel based eyeshadow primer which prevents my eyelid to get dried up after having layers of eyeshadows. This is my favorite orange corrector, which is LA Girl Pro HD Orange Concealer, and it is so smooth that blends on my skin so well. As you can see, I have a little bit brown patches on my eyelid. That's why today I am using orange corrector. Otherwise, concealer is enough for me to conceal my eyes before eye makeup. So now to conceal the orange one, I need another concealer. And here is my favorite concealer, which is Dermacol. I am using 218 shade to conceal my eyes right now. And in this video, I am using PAC Pink Beauty Blender to blend all the cream products on my skin. And now I am setting my concealer with the MAC translucent powder. Again, I am using Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, which you would see me using in many videos later, because it is one of the best affordable eyebrow kit available in the market. And now let's jump into the eyeshadow. This is Folklore Endless Possibilities eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying this rust orange color on my crease. And I'm applying it with a small fluffy eyeshadow application brush. Now taking another transition color, which is a deep brown from the same palette. I have taken this small domed shaped eyeshadow application brush to use this color. Today I'll do halfway cut crease, and I'm separating my crease using Dermacol 218 shade and applying it with a small flat concealer brush. Now it's a third color from this palette, which is a deep ash color, and I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. Now using the Chameleon beautiful metallic silver pressed eyeshadow, which is super affordable and super pigmented, and I'm applying it with a flat brush on my lid and blending with the deep ash color on the outer corner. This is Makeup Studio 2-Way Gel Glitter Glue, and I'm applying it on my lid to use glitter. This is another affordable and pretty good pressed glitter from In Color. This is my favorite gel liner, Inglot 77 Black, and I'm applying it on my upper lash line. and has taken a flat brush, applied a black eyeshadow and blending the gel liner on my eyelid a little bit. Now I have taken Dermacol again and applying it with a concealer brush and cleaning up my upper eyebrow area. Now I have taken LA Girl Pro HD Concealer shade Nude Beige and I am applying it on my skin where I have black and brown patches. Today I am using one of my favorite non-HD foundation and the shade is Fawn for my skin tone. And as usual, you don't need to worry about the products, the shades and the details of the products because I'll list everything below in my description box. This is a wonderful go-to foundation which has a buildable coverage and it's automatically get dried up after applying it on your skin. And the good thing is you don't need to use the powder on top of it to set the foundation. Today I'll be cream highlighting my under eye area with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Today I am applying it on the under eye, on the bridge of nose only because I want to highlight only these areas only. And you also can avoid the areas you don't want to highlight like the forehead and the chin. And especially who has dark circles, I feel they should highlight their under eye areas. Now I am using MAC translucent powder to set my concealer and spreading this powder a little bit to all over my face. Now I have taken this small domed shape brush and I am applying that deep ash color and blending it on my under eye. This is a silver color kajal pencil from Swiss Beauty. Guys, trust me, I have so satisfied after using it. It is so pigmented. Now I am applying mascara on my eyelashes, which is from Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Today I am using one of my favorite bronzer which I use also for bridal purposes. This is Makeup Studio number 2 shade bronzer, which is a tinted bronzer and which is perfect for any kind of party or bridal makeup. I always use a separate eyeshadow fluffy brush to contour my nose. Every time it is very difficult to use big contour brushes to contour nose because it has very small area. So you can keep a separate brush to contour your nose. It will help you to do the nose contour comfortably. This is Freedom Pro Blush Pink version. It has some medium, light and dark pink colors and some of the peach colors are there. I'm applying that peach color on my cheeks. I suggest everyone to build up the coverage slowly, because once you have built it up heavily, then it would get hard to rebalance it. Now I'm using one of my favorite highlighter, which is PAC Baked Highlighter number 1 shade. PAC has so many shades of highlighter for variety of skin tones. This is number 1. This is a little bit silverish gold. I have 2 more shades, which is 2 and 7. I'll definitely use it in some other videos. And here is my most favorite makeup setting spray, which is PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I won't talk much about this. I want you all to buy this, and please let me know how do you feel after using this. Here comes my PAC Eyelash Fixer Glue and PAC Mink 73 number eyelashes, which I am applying to complete this look today. Now I'm using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipsticks. I'm mixing up these 2 colors. The shade names are Self Starter and Versatile. Maybelline, this lipstick range has so many different colors, and all the colors goes with Indian skin tones. As you can see, I have completed my looks and I have changed my clothes, and as I have told you, this costume and the jewelries are sponsored by Golden Touch Bridal Paradise. They have their renting and selling services both, so you should definitely visit. See, I have boxes of jewelries, and let's see what is in it. 2 big kundan earrings, which is absolutely beautiful, and let me wear this. And let's see what else I have. I have the Mang Tika, and I have these bangles, which I'll wear after completing my hairdo. And now it's time for the hairdo. I have curled all my hairs with 22mm barrel curler. Actually, it is very difficult to wear jewelries with the open hair. I have got a lot of requests on how do I do my self hairstyling. Well guys, I want to tell you one thing. It's hard, and it's really hard. But yes, it is not impossible. You can do it if you have patience and if you know the proper techniques. But I promise I'll definitely make separate videos on self hairstyling. You can see my look is fully completed here. I have wore all the jewelry that I have planned. Frankly speaking, I have never thought that white will look so good on me, because I have never liked this color so much. But yes, after creating this look, I am loving it. And please do not forget to share your feelings after seeing this tutorial and after seeing my looks. And if you want to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me also. Here are my social media handles, that is Instagram and Facebook. You can find me here, you can follow me, and you can book the services we provide. So, आज के लिए इतना ही. We will meet on my next video. Till then, tata.